Hi guys, welcome back to another video by School of RPA. Today we are going to talk about use cases for RPA in procurement. Procurement is known as a back office function in charge of dealing with vendors, ordering and getting necessary items or services, as well as handling and approving requests from business stakeholders for products and services. More recently, however, companies tend to assign it an expanded and more important role of strategic partner. The background idea is that procurement can improve business outcomes, being conducive to increased resilience, efficiency, and cost savings. Leveraging robotic process automation in procurement is a way to substantiate this innovative perspective. The reason is pretty simple. Manually handling a procurement task is marked by errors, but it slows down the process. Consequently, it is less efficient and less productive. So, what are the benefits of RPA in procurement? Now, RPA in procurement can boost efficiency, reduce operating costs, and allow specialists to pursue higher value work such as category management and analysis. What's more, in combination with AI, turn procurement leaders into better business partners by allowing them access to more strategic insights. Robotic process automation and AI can handle both structured and unstructured data. Processes are accelerated because requisition can be automatically created and then automatically routed to approvers, buyers, and suppliers. This helps to bypass legacy systems issues. Consider pitfalls like informational silos, inefficient data storage, or large volumes of paper that can make it difficult to keep track of purchase orders, monitor spend, and fraudulent activity, and also diminish ability to predict future needs. What's the result? Enhanced process visibility and real-time information sharing. In the language of numbers, this means an impressive increase of 600 to 800% for the return on investment in robotic technologies. All in all, it seems like automation is causing fundamental change for the good to how business is done. So let's look at the first use case of RP in procurement, and that is purchase request to purchase orders. Manually processing procurement requests and creating purchase orders often leads to delay and to a rather low score on the accuracy scale. Software robots streamline the process and complete it in much shorter time. Automatically, after you receive a purchase request, the bots can fast and accurately implement the steps of workflow, assess the request, seek approval from the department head involved with request, and process the request to raise process order. Second, work order management. Keeping track of customers' requests may be particularly difficult for employees, and uncompleted work orders often result in revenue losses. Software robots make it easier to handle the process and thus helps to avoid losses. And this is also a little thing at all, particularly in the difficult economic times that we are currently traversing. Automating this process is very good example of joint work between humans and machines. Whenever a work order is created and allocated, the staff is notified by the bots and there is a need to be picked up and carried out. Upon completion, the work order is closed by a bot and the client is informed about its status. Inventory management. This is a crucial for all companies, irrespective of the economic sector, because it's mandatory to check if the inventory levels can match customers' demand. RPA streamlines the careful supervision of inventory levels. For instance, when these become so low, software robots notify human division who can order for products. What's more, bots can also provide real-time reports that allow updates on inventory levels at any time of the day. This is a valuable input for the assessment of the current needs and for the forecast of future ones. Becoming an integral part of any COTS deployment. COTS product that is commercial off the shelf are used as is. They can nicely incorporate with existing system components. The problem is the need to reduce the impact of wholesale software upgrades, which can be quite strong. This being a high volume, repetitive task, it helps precisely here. It is precisely here that RPA can help. Demand and supply side planning. Leveraging robotic process automation in procurement also helps the end-to-end management of demand and supply planning. The rationale is that bots can help to cut out inter-department silos, example, managing procurement, shipping, warehousing, and inventory, and to manage them in a more centralized fashion. Suppose that warehouse is full of inventories, and the software robot realizes that the warehouse is full of inventories, they are set to automatically notify the procurement department. This assists the procurement staff take stock of situation. To conclude today's video, we will say that concerns about the larger business picture as well as about your workers' welfare call for proper change management program when you are decided to embark on automation journey. In order to be effective, change management should be the leadership, but also the stakeholders. You should support your employees and aim for fair treatment in the attempt to allegedly bypass the unavoidable issue of displacing certain job categories. To this end, make more economics in reskilling your workforce. Hey guys, do you want to learn business analysis from us? Then call us on 900 480 9189 or email us on info@schoolofrpa.co.in, or you can watch our videos on this YouTube channel.